Yeah, the unity of consciousness is, I think, basically the idea that I'm sitting here talking with you right now. I can hear myself talking with you right now. I can see the light out the window right now, the colors of the trees out the window right now. I can hear just a little background noise. And all of these psychological events are occurring in me simultaneously, and I'm directly aware of all of these events occurring. So they're unified in a single subject that's conscious of all of them occurring at the same time. And what's interesting in brain science, when you read about people who are working in neuroscience of the brain, is they know from the first person's perspective that all of this psychological subject matter, these experiences come to be unified, and so they actually, they call it the binding problem. They're actually interested in trying to find a single spot in the brain where all this information, call it information, is transmitted to get unified. Because when they just do their brain science work, they find that you've got a motor section for the brain that would indicate, maybe your choices or intentions are occurring here. You have an auditory section, an olfactory section. They're all disparately located around the brain, but it all seems to come together at some point, and that's what we think of as the unity of consciousness.